Full motion TV wall mount bracket, dual articulating arms, swivels, tilts, rotation for most 37 to 70-inch LED, LCD, OLED flat curved TVs, holds up to 132 pounds, max VESA 600x 400mm by Pipishell. Ultra-strong TV wall bracket. Our TV wall mount is constructed from high-quality steel materials and fits most 37 to 70 TVs weighing up to 132 pounds like Samsung, Sony, Panasonic, Thomson, Toshiba, Sharp, LG, Philips, JVC etc. Solid and sturdy TV bracket with compatible faceplate that fits VESA patterns from 200x 100mm to 600x 400mm. Please check the VESA pattern, weight, size of your TV before purchasing. Adjustable optimal viewing. This premium TV wall mount tilts plus 10 degrees minus 10 degrees, swivels plus minus 60 degrees, max swivel angle depends on TV size, and level adjusts plus minus 3 degrees for maximum viewing flexibility. Easily customize your TV watching experience to find the most comfortable and healthiest viewing position. Save more space, built with dual articulating arms that retract 3-inch from the wall in home position to save space, and also extends up to a maximum 15.4-inch from the wall, saving you some valuable space and adding a nice, neat appearance to your household. 30-min fast and easy installation, comes with all the required mounting hardware needed, a detailed English graphical installation guide that is actually useful and even funny, which helps you to install this full-motion TV wall mount without any hassle. After sales service, our TV wall mount brackets includes an incredible 5 years friendly customer service. If you have any issues whatever, PLS, feel free to email or call us anytime, rain or shine. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.